The Olympic Games, one of the world's most famous sporting events, first began in ancient Greece in 776 BC. The Games were held every 4 years to honor Zeus, the king of the Greek gods. They lasted until 393 AD, when the Roman Emperor Theodosius I banned them, as he wanted to stop pagan festivals. After over 1,000 years, the modern Olympic Games were revived in 1896, largely thanks to the efforts of Pierre de Coubertin, a French educator who wanted to promote peace and unity through sport. The first modern Olympics took place in Athens, Greece, with athletes from 13 countries competing. Today, the Olympics are incredibly popular because they bring people from all over the world together to celebrate athletic excellence. Athletes like Usain Bolt and Simone Biles have become global icons, inspiring millions with their extraordinary performances. The Games are also widely watched. And in recent years, new sports have been added to attract younger audiences. For example, the Tokyo 2020 Olympics introduced skateboarding and sport climbing, making the event more exciting for young people. Looking ahead, the 2028 Olympics, set to take place in Los Angeles, will feature exciting new sports, such as flag football, lacrosse, and cricket. These sports were added to attract diverse audiences and reflect the growing global appeal of the Games. Additionally, technology will play a big role in how people experience the Games. In the future, fans may be able to watch events through virtual reality, making them feel though they are sitting right inside the stadium. However, the Olympics still face challenges, such as the high cost of hosting the Games. To help manage this, future Olympics might see more cities sharing the responsibility of hosting events. No matter how the Games evolve, they will always carry the important message of friendship, respect, and excellence.